Welcome to Sanbao. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use our full color Overglaze decal. Let's get started. Begin by cutting out the design you wish to use. Next, soak your decal in room temperature water for 60 to 90 seconds. This will help the decal image separate from the cardboard backing. Take your desired pottery, place the decal on top, and gently slide off the cardboard backing. Using a paper towel, remove any water and air bubble from the decal surface. Let it air dry for 4 to 6 hours. Once dry, you will fire your pottery at cone 018 to 017, 696 Celsius to 727 Celsius, at slow firing speed.